Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install the Apple Music app on Windows 11. So first, open the Microsoft Store and then click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, search for Apple Music. Once you see the official Apple Music app in the search results, click on it and then click on the Get button. Now, the download process will start, so wait for a few moments while Windows downloads and installs the Apple Music app on your PC. Once the installation is complete, a pop-up window will appear. Here, click on the Agree button to accept the terms and continue. After this, the Apple Music app will be installed and you can click on Start Listening to get started. Now, sign in with your Apple account, and once you are logged in, you can start using Apple Music from your Windows 11 PC. And that's it. If this video helps you in any way, do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.